Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my kids closet and how I organize it. So now this cupboard is made of plastic. It has a good hanging space and 3 shelves at the bottom. It also has wheels so it can be moved easily while cleaning. On top of this cupboard I have this organizer that I keep my baby's diapers in. And on the side, this was a goodie bag which now I use for all their napkins, their ties, their bows, or loosened buttons that can get lost. So we tend to put it in here. So I like to hang all the clothes according to their sizes from big to small. As you can see, I've done here. This first method, place your arm right through the center of your jeans and slide it onto the hanger away from the hook. Take one side and wrap it around the other side. Then take the other leg and wrap it on the first leg. There you go. In the second method, fold your jeans in half, slide the hanger's hook through the belt loop. Take the legs of the pants and pull it inwards. And there you go. Pretty simple. Shirts, I half fold one side with sleeves inwards, then the other side on top of it, and that's basically it. This saves a lot of space. Now for vest, fold it in half, then make another fold. And that's it. For shorts, fold it in half. Turn the edge inwards to make a straight line. Make one fold, then another, and that's it. For smaller shorts, fold the shorts in half, turn the edge inwards to make a straight line, and then just make another fold. This first method, bring the first side to the middle, then the other side on top of that. Turn the upper side downwards, and then place the bottom side inside the top layer, and there you go, you have a nice fold. In the second method, take front of the underwear, flip the bottom side upwards, take one side and flip it onto the middle, then the other side on top of that. And there you go, that's a nice fold. The first shelf belongs to my little one, and all the clothes that are worn in home are kept here, like shirts in the basket and shorts on the side. And I like to keep all the underwears in this organizer. The second shelf belongs to my elder kid. All his t-shirts are kept in the basket and shorts on the side. On the bottom shelf, I have both of my kids' t-shirts that are worn outside. And all these are extra t-shirts that are new and have not been worn once. Back of the first shelf, I have this donation storage box for all the clothes that needs to be given away or kept away. I like to have labels on so that it doesn't confuse me or my kids when they are taking out clothes for themselves. I like to make use of the doors. I have placed an adhesive hook to hang the umbrella or something that they can just grab and go. So on this side of the cupboard, I have placed adhesive hooks for everyday wear. Like I like to keep my kids' uniform for the next day or any other clothes that they are going to wear. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.